Hey y'all, hey. I know it's been a long time since I posted any kind of video. A lot of life has happened, but we'll talk about that in another video. I am here today to share with y'all some hair that I got or that I ordered, and I'm really excited to be back, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So I did order some hair from DHair Boutique. It is a hair company based out of Dallas, and I saw that Angela Simmons, she's an ambassador for their hair. Like, she always wears their hair. I believe they may be the only company that she wears. I'm not quite sure, but that's the only company that I've seen her promote. Her Instagram page is like the reason why I even bought this hair, because I always saw that she would promote them, and her hair always looks really nice. So she had made a post maybe like a week or so ago, and she was like shouting out the hair. So when I saw it, I was like, you know what? I'm just about to buy this hair, and I literally kind of purchased it on a whim. Like, I didn't do much research on it, which is not like me. I didn't read any reviews or anything like that, or even look at any YouTube videos until after I had already purchased it. Like, I literally just bought it because, one, I had already been hearing about the company, even from back when I was making videos like 7-8 years ago. So I know they had been around for a while, and I always saw that Angela Simmons always promoted their hair. So that was literally all that prompted me to buy the hair. So after I placed my order, then and only then did I go on their Instagram and like really read different reviews on the company and then about the hair. And then I also checked YouTube for some videos just to kind of like see what I was getting myself into. I know it was kind of like, you know, after the fact, but I made the purchase on a whim. So I did want to document my experience with this hair, because when I did look on YouTube, I didn't see a whole lot of videos on this company as of recent, and especially like on this particular texture. So I was like, you know what? Clearly this is something that the YouTube hair community needs, because there weren't a whole lot of videos at all. So I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and pick up my camera and record. I'm really excited because it is some Cambodian hair, and I've never had Cambodian hair. So that was another reason why I wanted to make videos and post like my reviews and everything on this hair, because this is also my first time ever trying Cambodian hair. So I'm super excited. So I did order this hair on a Monday, I believe, and I got it literally before noon on Wednesday. So for me, I got the hair literally in like a day and a half. And I know after I placed the order, I did see that some people were stating that they ordered some hair like on Black Friday, like their Black Friday sale, and they still hadn't received their hair, you know, from the day that I placed my order, which was on Monday, and we're in like mid-January. So, but for me, I did not have that experience. My hair literally came in like literally a day and a half. So I was very impressed by that, because I have a hair appointment scheduled for February 13th, and I was a little nervous, like, because I didn't know if I would get my hair in time, but I did get it in a day and a half, so that was good. And it just came in like a standard UPS box, and the packaging, it's like this. I did already open it, but I did try to like put it back all in there neat, just so that I can show you guys how exactly it came. So it did come like this, and a cute little baggie to store. And then it came in like some standard tissue paper. And it also included just like a hair care sheet, basically just showing like how to care for your hair. And also like a little flyer and just the packing slip. So it's pretty simple, but it was very, very neat, and I was impressed. So now for the hair, y'all. So I did order their Cambodian Slight Wave hair. I got the lengths in 20, 18, and 16 inches. And let me show you guys. It's so pretty. It's very, very pretty. It has a natural wave to it. I can tell that they probably already washed the hair, because the hair, it does have a really nice scent. Like, it smells pleasant. Like, if I needed to just put this hair in straight from me ordering it, I feel like I would be comfortable with it just by how it smells, and it feels clean. Of course, I'm still going to wash it myself, but you know, I'm just letting you guys know the hair does smell nice and clean, so I can tell that they probably already washed it. Now I did get a 20. Let me show you guys that. This is the 20. This is the 18. And then this is the 16. And all of the bundles that I got, they are pretty full from the top of the weft or from the top of the track all the way down to the ends. So that's good because I have ordered some hair in the past, even like this hair that I have in right now from a local company here in Houston. Like the hair is nice, but it's not full from the top to the bottoms or to the ends. And for me, I don't really, like that. I like my hair to be full all the way through. So you definitely get like some weight on this hair. Like I feel like even with these 3 bundles, my sew-in is going to be really, really full. So I'm very excited about that. Now, the ends, like on this 16, they are a little bushy for me compared to the other 2 bundles. Like they do feel a little dry. So I will be co-washing this hair and doing a like deep conditioning treatment with my Moroccan oil products. So I will be doing that, and I may even like pick up my camera and record that for you guys just to show you the hair after I co-wash it. But I will definitely be coming back and sharing with you guys my hair after I have it put in, and then I will periodically come back in with updates on the hair. So yeah, I know it's been a very, very long time since I posted a video, but I am one of my goals for this year is to get back active on my channel. So better now than never. So if you guys have any suggestions on any content you would like to see from me, if you have any questions regarding this hair, please leave them down below. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.